All right, so hopefully you now have Git installed. We're now moving on to what is probably the most essential section in this course. We're talking about some of the core Git commands. So there's going to be a lot in the critical column here. First, we're going to talk about this concept of Git repositories, repos for short. What are they? And then we'll learn a bunch of commands, git init, that's going to be critical, git status. These are things you'll use nonstop if you use Git. Understanding the .git folder, I'll say, is important, but not a critical thing. You could go your whole life as a Git user without really understanding it and what's inside of it. The committing workflow, a very important concept, sort of an overview that we'll do, and then we'll dive into 3 more commands: git add, git commit, and git log. None of them are terribly difficult or anything like that, but they are very, very important, essential to working with Git, and they'll come up throughout the rest of the course. So take your time with this section. Don't speed through it. Remember how much is in the critical column, because for future sections, that really won't be the case. So let's go ahead and get started. What really matters? Pretty much everything. Okay, here we go.